Hello guys and welcome to my JavaScript tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing uh, how to use console.log and alert. So first of all you must create a file like this, HTML. Then you must type this and press tab. While you press tab, just type over here script. While you type script, now in this area it will create JavaScript. Imagine like this area creates, like in here in this area there is a lot of, in this area there is adults, and in this area there is kids. Imagine that. I mean, in this room there is adults, this and this, and in this room there's kids. So now let's start doing it. So now let's do console.log. Wait, we shouldn't try to, if we try like this console.log it won't work, but you can do with console.log like this. Second block. Especially let's do 2 plus 2. We can do with console.log like this. Now let's go to the wait, we forgot to forgot to save it. And 4, here's the console. How do I open console? Here's a tutorial. I press inspect and it will directly open console. That's it. Now let's close it. Oops, I mean I shouldn't close it. Alright, now let's do over here no, let's type let x equals 2. Let x equals 2, and let's type here console.log x, and oops, and let's see the result. It will be 2 because we said let x being 2. Alright, like you can like imagine you're playing a game and you want to, like especially Minecraft, I'm giving an example. In Minecraft you want to create you want to make the wood into a plank, I don't remember, into a block, and so the game coded like that. So that's it. And of course we can do over here, especially let's do now with alert. Let's do with alert. With alert, if you type 2 and it will show over here 2. The page says 2, but let's do this. 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's do like this and check out. 1 plus 1 is 2. I mean, if we do like this, it will continue by itself. So the thing is, with console.log, you can do 1 plus 1, but you cannot do x. You cannot type x. For making an x, but you cannot do like x that I showed you. If you do like this, it will show us error or something. So do let x equals a number, so it will show the answer. And I will be showing on the link, and I will be showing on the description 2 links for studying JavaScript. I hope you enjoy. Bye.